Joke story today about Parrot on plane. On reaching his plane seat, a man is surprised to see a parrot strapped in next to him. He asks the stewardess for a coffee, whereupon the parrot squawks, "And get me a whiskey, a cow." The stewardess, flustered, brings back a whiskey F. When this omission is pointed out to her, the parrot drains its glass and bawls, "And get me another whiskey, you idiot." Quite upset, the girl comes back shaking with another whiskey but still no coffee. Unaccustomed to such slackness, the man tries the parrot's approach. "We asked you twice for a coffee, go and get it now or I'll kick you." The next moment, both he and the parrot have been wrenched up and thrown out of the emergency exit by two burly stewards. Plunging downwards, the parrot turns to him and says, "For someone who can't fly, you complain too much." One more joke about a bet made at the local bar. A man walks into a bar, and as he makes his way to the counter, he stops and talks to everyone in the bar. As he finishes with each group of people, they all get up and leave and go stand outside the window, looking in. Finally, the bar's empty except for this guy and the bartender. The man walks up to the counter, and says to the bartender, "I bet you $1,000 that I can spray beer from my mouth into a shot glass from 30 feet away, and not get any outside the glass." The bartender thinks that this guy is a nutcase, but he wants his $1,000, so he agrees. The bartender gets out a shot glass, paces off 30 feet, and the contest begins. The man sprays beer all over the bar. He does not even touch the shot glass. When he finishes, the bartender looks at him and says, "Well, I guess you owe me $1,000, huh?" The man answers, "Yeah, but I bet all of those people outside the window $500 apiece that I could come in here and spray beer all over the bar."